Tired of your phone dying? The Anker PowerCore 20000mAh portable charger is your ultimate solution to staying powered up, no matter where you are. This incredible power bank packs a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, enough to charge an iPhone 6 times over or fully juice up multiple tablets and smart devices. Imagine days of power for all your gadgets on a single charge, perfect for travel, commutes, or even emergencies. What makes it truly stand out is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, intelligently identifying your device to deliver the fastest possible safe charge every single time. That means no more slow charging guesswork. Just plug in and experience optimal speed for your smartphone, tablet, or headphones. And with its dual USB ports, you can easily charge two devices simultaneously, sharing power with a friend or keeping both your phone and earbuds topped up. This isn't just another portable charger. It's a reliable, high-performance power solution from Anker, known for their industry-leading battery technology. If you're looking for the best portable power bank for your electronics in 2025, this Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is an absolute must-have. Ready to experience uninterrupted power? Find the Amazon purchase link in the description below to grab yours today. Seriously, for performance, capacity, and peace of mind, the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is the top portable charger I wholeheartedly recommend.